I'm going to show you how to get this cleared out of a rototiller as quick as possible. A lot of people will fight and try to pull it out. That's not really the best way to do this. I would just flip it to the side. You have a pin here. If it's hard to get out, just get a hammer, just tap it. Get the pin out. Wiggle these off. Once that comes off, you see how much easier this is. You can take the whole thing off and it's all cleared out in a couple of seconds. I find that to be the easiest, quickest way to do this. It's just going to get stuff caught in it again. Make sure you don't throw this back in the field. Throw this in like the trash or something. Compost it or something. Alright, we're going to put these back on. Put the pin back in. That side's clean. Do the same thing on the other side. That pin came out easy. Take that off. You see that big bundle? Not spending a bunch of time fighting with it. Get it all cleared off. Put these back on. Put the pin back in. You're good to go back into the field. All right, well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.